Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 2nd of August 2024. US Dow Jones fell 1.21%, settling the day at 40,347.97 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,194.15, falling 2.30%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 36,537.59 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,025.26. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,815.50, indicating a gap down start for the Indian market. FII bought 2,089.28 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Economy momentum continues in July with some mixed signals. GST collections up 10.3% at 1.82 lakh rupees crore in July, but manufacturing expansion eased at 58.1 in July. Tata Motors board approves proposal to demerge into two listed companies. Now talking about global aspects, the S&P Global US Manufacturing PMI was revised slightly higher to 49.6 in July from a preliminary of 49.5. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US rose by 14,000 to 249,000. WTI rose 1.7% to $76.62 a barrel and the Brent fell 1.7% to $79.82 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.15. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 3.95%, down. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, the Sensex and Nifty, reached fresh record highs of 82,129.49 and 25,078.30, respectively. However, the market slipped from these higher levels due to profit booking near key milestone levels. The initial upward momentum was driven by signals from the US Fed chief, indicating a possible rate cut in September. The Sensex concluded the day on a firm note at 81,867.55, while the Nifty ended the day at 25,010.90, closing above the key milestone mark of 25,000. Outlook for the day. The Nifty 50 is currently consolidating within its prior range, with the 25,100 level acting as a significant resistance. A new bullish momentum is expected if the index breaks and sustains above this level, with potential upside targets around 25,300. Support is established at the 24,900 level, below which profit-taking could drive the index down to 24,750. Increased selling pressure is anticipated only if the index falls below this level. Overall, the market structure remains bullish, favoring a buy on dip strategy. Nifty Bank is currently exhibiting a sideways to bullish trend, with key support at 51,200 and resistance at 51,900. Over time, the range has narrowed, indicating a potential breakout in either direction. A sustained move above 52,000 could propel the index towards 52,300. Conversely, a break below 51,200 may trigger selling pressure, potentially driving the index down to 50,700. Stocks on radar are TVS Motor, Godrej CP, Tata Power, Adani Port, Jubilant FoodWorks. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.